LAES stock analysis and LAES stock prediction. What I'll be breaking down here is my exact play and how I'm going to look to, to take advantage of things and do all that good stuff, mainly make money in the markets. It is the only guy in this space has done this for 5 years, so 42,000 videos documented. I've seen what's personally printing me money and what is not. Especially with this thing here. I mean, this swing one prediction that I got. I mean, the first link here is going to be this proof that I call out. And then this one here, I don't really know what it is. Which I'm going to keep on, like, no sweat. I mean, this is more in this break, I believe. Yes. Which I'm still going to keep on the chart because that double break, believe it or not, just started happening now, just recently. So how all this is going to look like is very simple. If the price does pull down and gives me the shift, I'm looking to just double down on it and buy. Nothing else. Right, so all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. Here is the top. If you want to learn how to make 5-10K per month trading, get the free stars that take me 5 years to learn. Check it out. There's really nothing else that I'll be doing, right? Goodbye. I mean, it expires soon and it's risk-free.